Welcome to the new chapter of luxury living. Today, we are going to take you through the journey of innovation, legacy, and future growth. For those who've had a dream of living in DLF, your dream might come true because DLF is launching their new project in phase 6 of Sector 76 and 77 Gurugram. Yes, you've heard me right. So stay tuned till the end of this video because we're going to talk about much more: the history of DLF, the project itself, and all the amenities and facilities that this project is going to deliver. From DLF's rich history of shaping skylines to their upcoming project, we are going to talk about what makes Gurgaon the city of dreams. I'm going to talk about DLF Phase 6 location, what makes it its strength, and what are all the amenities and facilities that Privana Southwest is offering to their customers. My name is Priyanka and welcome to Privileged Assets Management. Now let's talk about DLF Phase 6 and what makes it a prime location. Like I said in the beginning of its video itself, that this is one of the biggest strengths of this project. DLF Phase 6 is spread across in a land of 500 acres. American Express and Corporate Greens are also a part of DLF Phase 6. Now, when we talk about the project, which is spread across in a land of 116 acres, Privana Southwest and upcoming offers you a lifetime view of Aravali Greens, which is going to stay with you till the end. So that makes it also a very, very important part of this project. This entire location of Phase 6 is going to be developed by DLF, which means the prices are going to skyrocket and so will be the demand. As you all know, once DLF start developing, they do not stop and they make sure that their project becomes the best in the surroundings. Well, we have talked about DLF Phase 6. Now let's talk about all the advantages that comes with it. Something that all the residents out here can take benefit from. DLF Phase 6 is very close to all the major roads, be it NH8 or SPR. Along with that, only 10 minutes drive from Dwarka Expressway. If we talk about the airport, which is our IGI airport, that is only 25 minutes away from here, making it quite feasible for everyone who's living here. Along with that, we have a huge wildlife development happening over here, which is developed and proposed by the government, which is 10,000 acres of green land is going to be converted into a jungle safari, something that you can also check out on the government website. In DLF Phase 6, within the vicinity, we also have 4 golf courses. Having said that, the combination of 4 golf courses, Aravali Green and jungle safari makes it an extremely green area, making the acquire of this vicinity absolutely amazing. People invest in DLF because of its ecosystem and its commitment. DLF is not just a name, it is a trust. Well, till now we have talked about DLF Phase 6 and the amenities that come with it. Now let's deep dive into DLF history and the current. DLF is spread across in 14 different states and 24 cities, and we all know wherever DLF goes, development follows. From Phase 1 to Phase 5, DLF has delivered 3 major and massive projects, which is the Camellias, Aravias and Magnolias. Saying that the Camellias was recently sold for 190 crores. Yes, you've heard me right, their penthouse was sold for 190 crores. But imagine for how much someone bought it. It was bought in 2014 for only 15 crores. That's the kind of massive growth and obviously kind of an investment that I am talking about. Something similar that you will get with DLF's upcoming project in Southwest and more. Well, everything that you see in Golf Course Road is actually developed by DLF. We all know that DLF has done so much for the Gurgaon. That's why Gurgaon is developing super fast, be it the Cyber City, Golf Course Road or anything else, and the upcoming project by DLF in Southwest and more. Now that we have covered DLF's legacy, let's talk about what's coming next in Sector 76 and 77. As we all know, wherever DLF enters, they don't just develop a sector, they lift the entire area's value and demand. In January 2024, DLF launched Privana South, a luxury residential project in Sector 77 Gurugram, with having 3,577 square feet of flats along with 4.5 BHK's house spread across in a land of 25 acres. Shortly after that, they launched Privana West in Sector 76. Same size, same configuration, spread over in a land of 12 acres. And due to its high demand, both the projects were sold out with a blink of an eye. DLF Harbour on Golf Course Extension Road made headlines during pre-launch. Even the Hindu covered this. DLF received bookings for 113 flats which were all luxury, worth 7,200 crore before launch. Now let's talk about the most waiting part of this video, which is the upcoming project by DLF spread across in a land of 20 acres. This project offers you 85% of the greenery, along with 6 different towers and a category of 4.5 BHKs that has a configuration of 4,000 to 4,200 square feet. Well, along with all of that, this also comes with 8 different lifts and a grand clubhouse that offers you all the world-class amenities that you can expect from DLF. If you want to be a part of DLF's legacy and want to invest in their upcoming project in DLF Privana, contact us right now because we can help you out. As of now, we have told you much more about this project, but there is so much more that we can't wait to share with you. Contact us right now so that we can help you out. Apart from that, if you like this video, subscribe and click on the bell icon.